Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It feels very good to upload a video because that feels like a dopamine hit in my brain, especially when I avoid the tasks and when I find a task especially challenging. And if I find a way to do it, I feel very good because it's a small finished task which is actually a signal to our brain in the form of a win. A small win leads to another event when finished leads to another event. That's how we or maybe I function. For me, I love the small wins. It's very important on a daily basis. Anyways, coming back to the main vlog of this week, the week after prelims was very tough, but there have been certain ways which I tried to get myself back on the game, pull my pieces together, and all of that. The temperatures have also drastically reduced, especially in my city, which is Vijayanagaram, close to Vizag. It's very lovely, and suddenly everything is cool and all of that. That's when I have decided, okay, whatever is gone, it's gone. But upcoming, there have been many opportunities. For example, in the month of September around, we'll have SSC CGL. In the month of October, there are state level exams. For us, mostly, it's APPSC Group 1, mostly. October done, November there'll be group 2, December there is UPSC EPFO exam, mostly, okay, these are tentative. And by that time how we perform again by the month of January, then there'll be the prelims run for 2027. So back to back the examinations have been packed like this, and I'm really liking this journey because we need a mark. It's like a benchmark where I want to set myself and move ahead. Too much serious in the vlog, I don't want to do. These are the days where probably in a 10-day span you'll get to see 10 minutes of my time. So don't go by everything that I say. If I'm showing you too many funny clips, that means I want that to be shown. Okay. If I'm showing you too much food, that means I am deciding that I want that to be seen. So similarly, I also got fooled by looking at people, what they are doing, this, that. So take everything on a lighter note. Coming back to the point again, the AC in the hall was not working, and I hate this window ACs. They'll make huge noise, and split ACs are always my favorite. I hate sound, anything but not sound. But again, I'm back on the game, like I have told, made myself nice coffee. I have ditched the Nescafe Classic for now. I have shifted to Continental. It comes in brown color. I have mixed with brew, and it's really nice. It's really strong, nice, hot. That's how I like my coffee to be. I don't like too bitter also. It should be a bit sugary, not too much again. So everything is going well. Mangoes, you have seen it's mango season. I overeat mangoes. I eat 5 to 6 per day, and that will lead to so much of overheat in the body and whatnot. Then I went out because I have to take Billy to the vaccine. If you can read that, do let me know what it is. And if you know this place, do also let me know what it is. That is the Vijayanagaram Kota, by the way. And we took Billy to the vaccine, and there have been so many animals that are coming. Suddenly, I feel like, oh, I also want a pet. It feels good, right? We don't have to be lonely, but that's a responsibility again. This is the Vijayanagaram Kota. Kota ante factory. Chi. Oh my god, what factory? Kota ante Ford. Netflix effect, sorry. Sorry, I'm really sorry. It's just bad Netflix effect. Sometimes it happens, right? We all do mistakes. Kota ante fort. ఇది మా విజయనగరం రాజుగారి ఫోర్ట్ వన్స్ అపాన్ ఏ టైమ్. ఇట్స్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ పీస్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు విజిట్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ హియర్. Anyways, after taking Billy to the hospital, came back freshed up, and I have made indie made kadu. I have freshed up, and then I have started studying. I was trying to give a test, and I was seeing what mistakes I have done. Mock test. This is what my coaching class people have given. Later, money got me something. Hi, money.
ఇక
ఏంటది?
ఇదేదో తయారు చేశారు.
ఓకే.
రెండు వేరు కలర్స్.
Oh, okay. Fine. I'll take blue.
పింక్.
Okay. For all of you who doesn't know who Money is, Money works for us. Her sister actually works, and Money comes and takes the responsibility along with her sister once in a while. She crossed class 12 this month, I think. This year she passed all the exams, and she's going to get married this month in the like around June 27. I mean, this person wakes up at morning 5 o'clock. She will wake up till 9 8. She will do she'll work as a maid, then she'll get ready and she'll go to college, and then she'll always be late to the college by 1 hour. Why? Because she's working as a maid. And then from morning like that till evening 5 p.m. she'll have college. 5 p.m. 6 p.m. she'll just travel, and then she'll come back home. 6 p.m. to 9 9:30 10 p.m. she will work again as a maid and do all the domestic work in her house. She doesn't have both her parents. She lives with her sister and grandparents. and then again from 9 p.m. she will study. And that's how this fellow, she cleared all the intermediate, year 1, year 2, any subject she cleared in the first go. This is the power of common man. I feel common man is mysterious, and if at all I get a chance, I really want to take interview of these people. Like, how do you do it? I mean, not, she did not cry once, she never complained once, she never told it's tough, it's that, it's this, it's that, nothing like that. And ఎంత బటన్ని నైఫ్తో కోసినంత ఈజీగా these people will handle the setbacks. I love it. Anyways, coming back to the point, I will definitely do that. I really love, this is my passion. I want to go to the streets and take the podcast of people. Like, సక్సెస్ అయిన పీపుల్ని ఎవరైనా చేస్తారు, బట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు టేక్ అ మైక్ అండ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు గో టు ర్యాండమ్ నో బడీస్ ఆన్ ద స్ట్రీట్ అండ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు కీప్ ద మైక్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ అండ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు టాక్ టు దెమ్. ఐ లవ్ టాకింగ్ టు పీపుల్. ఐమ్ ష్యూర్ ఐమ్ గోన్ డూ సంథింగ్ బిగ్ ఇన్ ద ఫ్యూచర్. It doesn't matter how I'll end up, but I'm sure my personality is alive. Okay, I don't want to be too serious. Not all the gyan in one video. Slowly you'll get to know me. My mother, I asked her to make biryani. She said, popetti chesestan. Nobody will make biryani like that. You don't do tatka to biryani. There is a way to biryani. This biryani was disastrous. I hated it. Later you'll get to see nice homemade biryani. Okay. After that, I again wanted to see, I actually started to check what other exams I have. Option B is ANT, option C ANT, option D ANT. I started talking to my friends who who cleared the exams, and also I'm understanding what it is and how it's supposed to be. Too much serious అయిపోయింది, too much ఇంత serious environment లో. Then I got to know that Peddi is released. So I have decided, no matter what, I'll go to the movie. My brother went to first day first show. That is my mother for you. I love my mother. She's a super funny person. I asked her to, I have shown the camera to her and I have asked her, like, hi Cheppu. She's like, Enti. I said, tell hi. She thought I'm asking her to say hi to me, and she's telling hi to me instead of saying hi to the camera. Indian mothers, they're just everything, right? I miss my mother. I'm actually planning to step out of the home. I will definitely miss her. After that, we both went. So after the movie, me and my mother went out. We did a bit of shopping because it was her birthday. My birthday is also coming. I really love that kurti. I looked cute, right? Anyways, so we went to Kolkata Night Riders. Sorry, Kolkata Rolls. Oh my god. And then we got some egg rolls, and look at this. My grandmother sent some jackfruit. I love jackfruit along with mango. Then Billy, it always comes in, and it's a beautiful feeling, right? Oka chinna creature just alla vachi. Allow ఊరికే, no reason, but it will love you unconditionally. You give it food, it will love you. I love it. I mean, appa, it's so, I'm against this cats, dogs. I don't like animals because first of all they are dirty, and I feel man is the greatest, man is that. But I got this stray cat, and ever since I got this stray cat, I started loving cats. All you need is that one right person or one right thing or one right creature to introduce you to love other than your family. I love my Billy. So after that, next day, woke up nicely dolled up, because I feel the day I put on a bit of lip balm or put on a bit of kajal, nicely take hair wash, this that, I feel so good. I feel appa enta andanga unnanu. This confidence is very important. This confidence will not come with beauty. It comes with how you feel about yourself, and it's very important to feel that. But again, we'll have the little setbacks. Human moods and emotions are not constant, so sometimes I'll feel I'm super looking good. Sometimes I'll feel, che entila, I should do that, I should do this ani. Then I went out. Actually, this is Oko Cafe and Daridram Cafe. It's not at all good. Worst cafe I have ever been to. I went out with my friend. She's my school friend, and I wanted to meet her for a coffee. It's been so long, but Daridram Coffee and Daridram Coffee, anta foam, ఇంత ఫోమ్, ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ బీ ఇన్ ఎనీ కాఫీ. ఇది క్యాపుచినో అంట, వాడి మొహం క్యాపుచినో. ఇట్స్ నాట్ అట్ ఆల్ క్యాపుచినో. దరిద్రంగా ఫోమ్ అంతా వేసేసాడు. ఒక సినిమాలో దర్ విల్ బి ప్రభాస్, రైట్? ప్రభాస్ విల్ సే నో ఫోమ్. నవ్ ఐ అండర్స్టూడ్ వై హీ టోల్డ్ నో ఫోమ్. ప్రభాస్ తాప్సి సీన్ ఏదో ఉంటుంది, మూవీ గుర్తురాట్లే, మిస్టర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అనుకుంటా. కలిపి ఐ వాజ్ ట్రయింగ్ టు స్టిర్ ఇట్. నో మ్యాటర్ వాట్, ఇట్ వాజ్ నాట్ అట్ ఆల్. ఐ కుడ్ నాట్ సీ ద మిల్క్ దేర్, అండ్ ఇట్ ఫెల్ట్ లైక్ ఇట్స్ అ హ్యూజ్ pot of coffee. Nobody can drink it. Okay, and then this sugar was not at all enough because cappuccino he made it too dark. You don't make cappuccino like that. It's such a bad worst coffee, daridram coffee. I have to add 2 sachets of sugar, 5 grams each. That means so 2 sachets of sugar with 5 grams each. That means 10 grams of sugar there only. And according to the medical, I don't know, some medical research and all of that, doctors claim. So one of the very famous doctors claim that the average human sugar consumption for women should not exceed 35 grams per day. ఇక్కడే 10 అయిపోతే anyways, then I went out with my friend. We took a nice long walk. This is called Achanta Gardens. ఇది పెద్ద చెరువు గట్టు దగ్గర it will be there. అదే పెద్ద చెరువు అంటే I can't translate everything in English, but I felt one thing this day. I felt it's very important to have people who will understand what you're saying and who don't give you non-shitty advice like do it, you've got it. I don't like it. I mean, ఆ మోటివేషన్ నాకు నచ్చదు, సోదిలా అనిపిస్తుంది. I wanted someone to listen to me very carefully, and I wanted someone to pick up the exact point. See, if you are into, if you are a person, if you have a friend, you have to talk. That's what I'm doing. Anyways, me and my father, we went out because you saw the AC repair thing in the beginning, right? So for that we needed long curtains. My mother asked us to get the glass AC curtains. So this will retain the AC temperature on the room lo it will retain. Usually you'll see it in gold shops, sweet shops, all of that. Per door curtain is 2100 rupees anta. That means we have to sell our property to buy that curtain. After that we did not buy, we bought a normal one. And next day, this is the biryani my mother made. Abba, I love biryani. Without biryani there is no week, there is no me, there is no life. I love biryani. ఇది chicken biryani actually, chicken curry కూడా. But I don't like curry and all with biryani. Biryani అంటే రైస్, ఆ రైస్లోనే ఉంది ఏదో ఉంది. So my friend came, sorry, my cousin came, my brother is there, my mother is there. I tried to vlog. Okay, look what happened.
కొంచెం తగ్గించండి ఇక్కడ తింటాను అదేది
రాక్రా
వీడియో చేసింది
మమ్మీ కన్నా దారుణంగా చెప్తాను నేనైతే వేసా నా దాంట్లో
పొట్టి మ్యాంగోలో ఉంది. బై ద వే షీ ఈస్ national level winner of martial arts. I'll introduce her soon in the videos. I'm planning to shift out of my home and shift to another city. You will see it soon. Bye bye.